स्थापकाय च धर्मस्य सर्वधर्मस्वरूपिणे अवतार वरिष्ठाय रामकृष्णाय ते नमः. God is everybody's love, just as the moon is dear to every child. Everyone has the same right to pray to him. Out of his grace, he reveals himself to all who call upon him. You too will see him if you but pray to him. ভগবান শ্রীরামকৃষ্ণ পরমহংস। ঠাকুর শ্রীরামকৃষ্ণ দেবের এই বইটি আ বায়োগ্রাফি বাই নিখিলানন্দজি মহারাজ, সারদাকুটির পক্ষ থেকে আমরা আপনাদের সামনে এটি তুলে ধরছি। আজকের বিষয় চ্যাপ্টার 1, আর্লি লাইফ। ভগবান শ্রীরামকৃষ্ণ পরমহংস দেব, দ্য গড ম্যান অফ মডার্ন ইন্ডিয়া, was born at Kamarpukur. This village in the Hooghly district preserved during the last century of idyllic simplicity of the rural areas of Bengal. Situated far from the railway, it was untouched by the glamour of the city. It contained rice fields, tall palms, royal banyans, a few lakes, and 2 cremation grounds. South of the village, a stream took its leisurely course. A mango orchard, dedicated by a neighboring zamindar to the public use, was frequented by the boys for their noonday sports. A highway passed through the village to the great temple of Jagannath at Puri, and the villagers, most of whom were farmers and craftsmen, entertained many passing holy men and pilgrims. The dull round of the rural life was broken by lively festivals, the observance of sacred days, religious singing, and other innocent pleasures. About his parents, Bhagavan Sri Ramakrishna Paramahansa Dev once said, "My mother was a personification of rectitude and gentleness. She did not know much about the ways of the world. Innocent of the art of concealment, she would say what was in her mind. People loved her for open-heartedness. My father, an orthodox Brahmin, never accepted gifts from Sudras. He spent much of his time in worship and meditation, and in repeating God's name and chanting his glories. Whenever, in his daily prayers, he invoked the goddess Gayatri, his chest flushed and tears rolled down his cheeks. He spent his leisure hours making garland for the family deity Raghubir. Khudiram Chattopadhyay and Chandramani Devi, the parents of Bhagavan Sri Ramakrishna Paramahansa, were married in 1799. At that time, Khudiram was living in his ancestral house of Deraipur, not far from Kamarpukur. Their first son, Ram Kumar, was born in 1805, and their first daughter, Katyayani, in 1810. In 1814, Khudiram was ordered by his landlord to bear false witness in court against a neighbor. When he refused to do so, the landlord brought a false case against him and deprived him of his ancestral property. Thus disposed, he arrived at the invitation of another landlord in a quiet village of Kamarpukur, where he was given a dwelling and about an acre of fertile land. The crops from this little property were enough to meet his family's simple needs. Here he lived in simplicity, dignity, and contentment. 10 years after his coming to Kamarpukur, Khudiram made a pilgrimage on foot to Rameswara at the southern extremity of India. 2 years later was born his second son, whom he named Rameswar. Again, in 1835, at the age of 60, he made a pilgrimage, this time to Gaya. Here, from the ancient times, Hindus have come from the four corners of India to discharge their duty to their departed ancestors by offering them food and drink to the sacred footprint of Lord Vishnu. At this holy place, Khudiram had a dream in which the Lord Vishnu promised to be born as his son. And Chandramani Devi too, in front of Shiva temple at Kamarpukur, had a vision indicating the birth of a divine child. Upon his return, the husband found that she had conceived. It was on February 18, 1836 that a child, to be known afterward as Ramakrishna Paramhansa, was born. In memory of the dream at Gaya, he was given the name Gadadhar, the bearer of Mace, an epithet of Vishnu. Mace is the Gada or the Astra of Bhagwan Sri Vishnu. 3 years later, a little sister was born. This was the first part, early life, or the today's topic, and we have come to the end of our video. With the Purna mantra, we will finish this video. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidang Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishvate. स्थापकाय च धर्मस्य सर्वधर्मस्वरूपिणे अवतार वरिष्ठाय रामकृष्णाय ते नमः।